Let me ask you something. Have you ever thought about what happens inside the body when a senior takes something as simple as baking soda? Most people only know it as a pantry item, something you bake with or use to keep the fridge smelling fresh. But for many seniors, that small box of white powder has become a home remedy passed down through generations. Some use it for heartburn. Others believe it supports kidney health, and some just take it as part of their morning routine. But here's the truth. It's not as harmless as it looks. When it comes to senior health, baking soda can have both surprising benefits and hidden risks. Today, we're breaking it all down so you or someone you care for can make safer, smarter choices. Let's get into it. As seniors, our digestion tends to slow down. Many seniors experience more frequent acid reflux, bloating, or discomfort after meals. One of the go-to-home remedies is baking soda mixed with water. Why? Because it works fast. Baking soda is alkaline. It neutralizes stomach acid almost instantly. That bubbling reaction you see when it hits water, that same kind of fizzing is happening in your stomach, helping to reduce that burning sensation in the chest or throat. But for senior health, this quick fix comes with a warning. Relief from symptoms does not mean the root problem is solved, and the relief is only temporary. Using baking soda too often can lead to a condition called rebound hyperacidity, where your body produces even more acid after the baking soda wears off. That creates a vicious cycle that some seniors unknowingly get stuck in. If you're already getting value from this video, then I encourage you to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest content. And also, don't forget to like and share the video. Let's take a closer look at what baking soda really is. It's called sodium bicarbonate. And yes, that first word matters. Sodium is a form of salt. For many seniors, especially those dealing with high blood pressure, heart disease, or kidney concerns, added sodium is a serious issue. When a senior consumes baking soda regularly, the body may retain more fluid, blood pressure may rise, and the workload on the heart and kidneys increases. Even if you feel fine, this can silently strain your system over time. And since the body's ability to process sodium declines with age, senior health becomes even more vulnerable to the effects of excess sodium, even from a natural source like baking soda. So while it may bring quick heartburn relief, using baking soda regularly without medical guidance can actually harm the very organs we're trying to protect as we age. Now, here's where the conversation takes an unexpected turn. Some studies suggest that baking soda, used under medical supervision, can help slow the progression of chronic kidney disease in certain seniors. How? Well, in many seniors with declining kidney function, the body becomes too acidic. This condition is called metabolic acidosis, and baking soda, being alkaline, can help balance out that acidity. In some medical cases, low doses of baking soda are prescribed to reduce that acid buildup, which may help protect the kidneys from further damage. But here's the catch. It's not safe to do this on your own. What works for one senior can be dangerous for another, especially if there's heart disease or high blood pressure involved. So if your doctor hasn't prescribed it, do not self-medicate with baking soda, hoping to boost your kidney health. The dose, timing, and monitoring all matter deeply. If you or a senior loved one is otherwise healthy and only needs baking soda occasionally for heartburn relief, for example, a quarter to half a teaspoon in a full glass of water may be sufficient. But this should never be taken more than twice a day, and definitely not as a long-term solution. Taking it for more than 2 weeks without a doctor's guidance is a red flag. Your body is not a test tube, and for seniors especially, the kidneys, heart, and digestive system all become more sensitive with time. For proper senior health, we need to respect those changes and avoid casual, long-term use of even the most innocent-looking remedies. Let's talk about something very few people consider: drug interactions. Baking soda can actually interfere with the way certain medications are absorbed or processed in the body. For example, if a senior is taking antibiotics, diuretics, or cardiac medications, baking soda might reduce the effectiveness of those drugs. It may even make some medications act faster or slower than intended, which can lead to side effects or complications. Since many seniors are on multiple medications, even a small amount of baking soda could create unpredictable effects. This is why it's always best to consult your doctor, especially a geriatric or kidney specialist, before introducing any kind of home remedy into your routine. The bottom line is, baking soda has its place. It is not the enemy. It can be helpful in moderation, for specific purposes, and always under medical guidance. But it's not a miracle powder, and it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. For better senior health, the real answer lies in prevention. Managing stress, eating clean, staying hydrated, getting regular checkups, and knowing how your body changes with age. These are the things that create lasting health. Baking soda. Think of it like a fire extinguisher. Good to have around, but not something you should be using every day. So the next time someone tells you to drink baking soda for your heartburn or kidneys, you'll know what really happens inside your body and whether it's worth it. Thank you for taking the time to invest in your health or in the health of someone you care about. Stay safe, stay informed, and take good care of your body. It has carried you a long way. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and share it with someone who could use it too. And of course, subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.